You never think it will happen to you. You do your job. You work hard to provide for your family.
I've been doing remodeling, new construction, and tile work pretty much throughout my life.
You do everything right.
I had had a stable life for so many years.
Then, it happens.
We went from having health insurance to not having any in probably 3 to 4 weeks.
And all of a sudden, everything has changed. Just like that. Contractor Jerry Dusterhoff is a hard-working guy who always took care of himself and his family. But when his wife's employer went out of business, they lost their health insurance. It was right around then that Jerry began to feel ill. He tried to tough it out, but the symptoms grew worse. Jerry was sick and running out of options, until a friend guided him to St. Mary's Health Clinics, where the help he needed came just in time.
They recommended the colonoscopy.
Jerry worked and waited, hoping it would turn out to be nothing. Soon, he got the news.
Doctor came back in after the procedure and informed me that they had found a cancerous tumor.
When Sarah Ozeroff lost her job, she also lost her home and was forced to move in with her sister. She kept busy job hunting and caring for her daughter Lexi. Then, she noticed something wrong.
I got a hard spot on the left side of my nose, and it continued to grow, and I thought it was a sinus infection.
Unable to afford a doctor's care, Sarah waited, hoping the spot would go away. Until one day,
my sister was driving and she saw a sign that said St. Mary's Free Health Clinic and a phone number.
Through St. Mary's Health Clinics, Sarah saw a doctor for what she thought would be a routine visit.
And he said, "This is no sinus infection."
Sarah had lymphoma. On her own and uninsured, she was frightened about the future. But now, at least, she had a place to turn.
I don't think that I could have gotten any better care. The St. Mary's Health Clinics planned it all out for me.
Thanks to the generosity of all those who support St. Mary's Health Clinics, people who are afraid and alone have hope. People who were hurting and sick have been healed. And people who were down on their luck have been able to get back on their feet. Jerry has been getting chemotherapy in preparation for surgery. Not that he's letting that slow him down.
As far as work goes, I will try to work right up till the surgery.
Sarah is also being treated with chemotherapy, and her outlook is bright.
Within 6 to 8 months, I should be through this. So that's a good thing. A really good thing. I'll get my hair back.
And lately, some other good things have been happening for Sarah.
Within the last month, I have a part-time job that I enjoy, and now I'll be starting a full-time job. Health insurance will be included.
Our communities are full of people like Sarah and Jerry, people who work hard, who try their best, and suddenly, by no fault of their own, face the most desperate circumstances. For these people, St. Mary's is literally a lifesaver.
I can't say enough for what they've done. Without people like that, I guess guys like me wouldn't have anywhere to turn to.
There's got to be tons of people like me that all of a sudden end up in a very urgent situation and don't have the resources to take care of it immediately. St. Mary's comes to the rescue.